Now, on the mobility solution side, the biggest disruption which is driving the change for new style of IT essentially is mobility. And the worst part is it is still evolving and there are no standards, right? But having said that, this is now becoming mainstream. The whole challenge is 4.5 billion devices which will be connected by 2015 to the internet. And that is driving a lot of pressure on the IT departments to make the mobile workforce required, the mobility requirement of their employees, as well as building applications that are compelling to drive improved customer engagement, right? So this is a business problem. Now, but as I said, it's just evolving. So there are efforts which are lack coordination. The business units, the marketing departments in large organizations are actually going ahead and actually implementing mobility solutions by themselves without consulting the IT department. And that's a big challenge because that's essentially driving independently the performance issue, the security issue, which IT departments don't want to handle because this is not good for their organizations because of various security reasons and so on and so forth. So with this, what is the HP's approach to mobility? HP combines hardware, software, products, consulting services, and assessment services, support services in offering HP products in unified solution for the entire enterprise. It's a connected way of handling mobility. And we are meeting the consumer level expectations of the employees, at the same time engaging and communicating with their customers from our sales team's perspective. Mobility is a radical change in a traditional way we think is a universal access to people, applications, and data. So it's a very busy slide, but this is how the mobility environment is built. HP has products, services, and solutions in each of this area, right from strategizing to application development, testing, and management. The technologies, processes, and methodologies to run these applications, people, right from the custom-made applications for application virtualization. There are some senior people in the organization who get their devices, and we spoke about bringing their devices, how HP manages the cloud-based management, authentication, and mobile device management of these applications, very, very important. So, and also security, a big issue when you have mobility, and that is why people do not appreciate BYOD right straight away. They give limited access to some specific people because that has a security hassle. But HP builds security in mobile applications, which we offer to our senior people, and also secure network infrastructure, because it's all about connectivity. From a connectivity standpoint, Neelam mentioned about wireless and wired connectivity in the networking side. So we are saying that HP is the only organization which offers very comprehensive solutions with our networking IMC independent management center, which essentially not only manages and unifies the connectivity from wireless, also wired across the organization. And that's a big positive from HP's side. We also have to deliver mobile user experience, and HP has performance infrastructure impact, monitor application performance, and converge cloud for mobile service delivery. From a devices perspective, we have some of the best devices from tablets to notebooks and mobile workstations. And finally, on the data side, the mobile device analysis, right from autonomy to Vertica, or the analytics piece, we drive data. So if you really see the mobile solution map, at the center on the left-hand side are the devices surrounded by application, people, data, which is in turn surrounded by secure connectivity and surrounded by mobility strategy and applications. This is essentially how HP offers a complete mobility solution. I spoke about some of these assessment services to get people, applications, and data together, and to build a user experience. Essentially, it's an experience for the employees and with the customer. And we offer all these assessment and services and products together here for the customer engagement as well as employees. This is why HP, what's HP in mobility standpoint, mobile applications developers, mobile applications created on all popular platforms, 2.5 million devices managed by HP clients, 10 times security vulnerable discovered, which we have done in last 2 years compared to all the other vendors put together. So these are staggering numbers, 170 countries, so many service partners which we have powering some of the world's most trafficked websites and making them mobile from an experience standpoint. So this was mobility.